following video will go through the steps of how to edit camera settings. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Safety tab on the left-hand side panel, click on Cameras and Videos, and select Cameras. Now you'll want to click on the EMEI of the camera you want to access. For example, let's click on this one right here. From there, you will be taken directly to the camera settings page. And on here, you'll be able to see the general settings. So you can edit the camera sleep mode, the wake up interval, the driver facing camera, driver facing video, and road facing camera events. You can also edit the audio of the camera as well as the video quality. And over here under the Action tab, you can reboot the camera, format the SD card, or you can unpair the asset. So basically remove this camera from this asset and attach it to another asset. If you scroll down here, you can see the camera event detection settings. From there, you can configure the sensitivity of an event by basically clicking on the configure sign. And you can change the range sensitivity of this event. If you feel that this event is still very sensitive, then you can call our support team to make the necessary adjustments. Once you've made the edit, simply click apply. And any edits have been made, make sure to click save on the top of the page. And those are the steps for editing camera settings onto MyGeotab.